Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 6453. This ran from the 2nd 2014 to the 7th 2022. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a CVT automatic transmission. This is a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 3 small creases, right front door mirror, right front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket Alpine touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,